Okay, so let us start. So first question I'm about to give you. All of you ready? So
Yes,
take out your
sir.
fair notebooks. You will do this in your fair notebooks only. And write down the heading, the revision, and the name of the chapter also, linear equation. Okay, then note down the first question. First question is, x minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 2x plus 1 whole upon 3. 2x minus 1, sorry. 2x minus 1 whole upon 3 minus 1. Solve this equation and find the value of x. You can send your answers in
Good
the
morning, sir.
good morning. Send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, what we are doing, revision?
Yeah, we are doing the revision of linear equations.
Sir, we have to also write question.
Yes, you have to write the questions also. Solve this in your copies and send your answers in the chat box quickly. Two answers I can see till now. Aditi has given the answer and Karthik has given the answer. Karthik, check your answers. Check your answer again. Check the solution. Karthik.
Okay, sir.
Arlind, you also check your solution.
Okay.
Aditya Kumar, you also. Pranjal Gupta also. I think all of you are doing the same mistake. Most of you are doing the same mistake.
So shall I also recheck?
Krishna, you also need to recheck. Krishna beta. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
How
Sir,
are you?
x equals to minus 1.
Uh, don't tell the answer here. Recheck your answer.
Screen has become blur.
How are you, Krishna?
Sir, fine. Sir, you?
कट रही है बेटा तुम्हारे राज में.
So I have sent the answer.
You send the answer. Let me check.
Sir, now my answer is correct or not?
Just wait. Wait a minute.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Navya, you need to recheck. Bhavya, your answer is correct. Anushka, you need to recheck your answer.
Okay, sir.
Bhavya's answer is correct. Aditi Gupta's answer is also correct. Utkarsh, recheck. भूल गए सब लोग linear equations.
Sir, I have sent, please see.
Not correct.
I am doing everything right, so then also my answer is coming wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to solve this now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now I
Wait,
sent.
one more minute. Sir, please wait.
Sir, please check mine now.
Priya, answer is correct. Very good. Priya is there? Hello, Priya. How are you?
Sir, my answer is right.
I'm fine.
Sir, please check my.
Sir, please check my
Okay. Wait a minute. Sakshan Sahu answer is correct. Krishna answer is not correct. Aditya Kumar, your answer is correct now. Anushka not correct. Utkarsh not correct. Alind not correct. Anya not correct. Okay, I am doing it on the board now. X minus 2 upon 3 is equal to, here you have two terms. The denominator here is 1. The denominator is 1. So you take LCM in both the terms. 3 is the LCM. The denominator is 3. Here the denominator is 3. The LCM
Yes,
of
sir.
1 is 3. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. Okay. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1, it is 2x minus 1 only. 3 divided by 1 is 3. And 3 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 3. Okay. Now x minus 2 whole upon 3 is equal to 2x minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4. So 2x minus 4 whole upon 3. Now there are two ways of doing it. Either you cross multiply or you can simply cancel 3 from both the sides, because there is only one term on both sides. In LHS also and in RHS also we have only one term. So we can cancel 3 from both the sides. But that I will not do, because sometimes students do in a wrong way. Even if there are 2-3 terms, they cancel 3 from both the sides. That is not correct. Okay, they cancel the denominator. That is
Sir,
not.
till here I have done like same.
To avoid any confusion, I will not cancel 3 from both the sides. So I am going to cross multiply. This 3 goes to LHS in the numerator So 3 into x minus 2 is
X is
equal
equal
to
to 2.
3 into 2x minus 4. 3x minus 6 is equal to 6x minus 12.
Yes, sir. Till here I have also
Minus
done
6
like that.
plus 12, 6x minus 3x. I know what most of you have done here. Okay, let me do like what you all have done. आप सबने जो करा है वही मैं यहाँ पे करता हूँ. 3x minus 6x minus 12 plus 6. Okay. So I don't know how you all have got minus 2 from here. Many of you have got minus 2 as the answer. So my 3x minus 6x is minus 3x. And minus 12
Sir, I joined.
minus 6.
Sir, I joined late.
Okay,
Sir, may I speak?
yes, yes.
Sir, the answer will be 2.
Answer is 2.
Yes, sir.
Sir, there was a slide.
Sir, my answer
By
was
mistake,
minus
I
2.
have done
I
6x 6x when I put it in L LHS, so I have put it in positive, so
sir
it was wrong.
actually sir
Yes,
sir I multiplied 3 into 2 equals to 5. That's why my answer came wrong. It came 7 instead of 6.
very good. Try to
Sir,
avoid
I have joined late, so please tell me that you are giving your own questions.
no, this is matlab, this is revision. I am giving you some questions for practice. So revision of the chapter linear
So
equations.
these are
This is
so
in
these
the
are not written in books.
this is in the book. This question is in the book. Doesn't matter if it is in the book or not. You just have these
Okay,
questions
sir.
are given for practice.
Now please give us RTQ.
QRT.
Ah, yes, sir. QRT.
QRT is actually not required in this.
Sir, what is QRT?
Of rushing tendon.
Okay.
Sir, ready for QRT. You can give.
Okay. I will give
Sir,
you
done
a
the first one.
I will give you a QRT in the word problems when we do the word problems. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please tell the next question.
Yeah, I'm giving the next one. The next one is easy.
Sir, this one was also easy, but
Yeah, this
I
one
did
is
a
also
silly
easy. You
mistake.
all, most of you have done some silly mistakes.
Sir, I'm still thinking why I wrote 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 5.
Try to avoid these mistakes. X minus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 9. Solve
I
this.
think
given the answer.
Utkarsh has
So
posted
where do we have to give the answer?
in the chat box. Give your
Answer
answer.
correct.
Beta, your answer is, let me solve it orally. No, not correct. Aditya Mishra. Mishra ji, your answer is correct. Saksham Sahu, correct answer. Krishna Gupta, correct answer. Alin Tandon, correct answer. Mishra ji, correct answer. Aditi Gupta, correct answer. Muskan, correct answer. Karthik Chauhan, not correct. So many. Navya Goyal, correct answer. So many of Priya, correct answer.
Sir, what's the correct answer?
Anushka, correct answer. Very good.
Again did a mistake. I got that mistake. So now tell my answer is correct or wrong.
No, not correct.
Why? So I am again giving the answer.
Yeah, it is correct now.
Yes, sir. I again did a mistake.
Okay, I'm doing it. Anya, correct answer. Very good. Okay, so most of you have got the answer correct. Very good. Laksh Kumar, there is a small mistake. Cross multiply, first step. 9 into x minus 1 equals to 7 into x plus 1. Okay, 9x minus 9 is equal to 7x plus 7. 9x minus 7x equals to 7 plus 9. 9x minus 7x is equal to 2x. लक्ष्य कुमार ने 7 plus 9 को 15 लिख दिया. Am I right or wrong? लक्ष्य कुमार 7 plus 9 को 15 लिखा है.
सर मैंने सर 9+7 को पहले सर मैंने 2 लिख दिया.
Yes, sir.
देख ले बेटा, बिना कॉपी देखे तेरी मिस्टेक्स बता दे रहा हूँ मैं.
Sir, answer is 8. Sir, I have done correct, but only in the last step I done wrong. Sir, I have written 15 in the place of 16.
देख लो.
I
कैसे
did 9+7.
लक्ष्य कुमार मुझे कैसे पता चल गया?
Sir, as you are my teacher.
Oh. Next question, number 3. Ready, all of you? Done this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ी स्पीड बढ़ा देते हैं. Okay. I will give you just 3 minutes to solve it. 2 minutes, okay, not 3 minutes, 2 minutes to solve it. अच्छा, mistakes मत करना. भले if you take some more time, don't do mistakes. Don't do silly mistakes. Don't be in any kind of hurry. Avoid doing mistakes. Four x plus 1 whole upon 7. Yeah, start doing it.
Sir, it is 3. Sir, it is 3 in the first or 8?
This is 2x minus 3 whole upon 5 plus x plus 3 upon 4 equal to 4x plus 1 upon 7. Got it?
Sir sent the answer.
Muskan.
Is it correct?
Let me do it.
It's the question of book.
उसका क्या करना है तुम्हें बुक का है या नहीं? Does it matter?
Only 7
Muskan,
answers right or
answer is
wrong.
correct. Utkarsh, your answer is correct. Priya, your answer is correct. Very good. All of you.
अच्छा, दो बच्चे
Sir,
मुझसे
I think my answer is wrong.
Navya, your answer is correct. Aditi, your answer is correct.
Sir, the answer is kind of twisted.
Akshay,
I
Safi,
didn't
your
thought
answer
it
is
could be.
correct. That should be correct. Till now, all of you have given the correct answers. Very good. Sachin Sahu, how are you?
Yes, sir, fine.
Fine. How is your bhaiya?
अब सर क्या बताऊं?
क्या क्या हो गया? ऐसा क्या होगा?
कुछ नहीं सर.
लड़ाई वड़ाई चल रही है क्या आज?
हाँ, वो पढ़ता रहता है.
तो पढ़ते हैं। परेशान करते हो तुम उसको?
नहीं, वो एक कमरे में ही रहता है,
अच्छा, वही।
बाहर ही नहीं आता. क्या
कितना
बताऊं?
पढ़ता है?
हाँ, पढ़ लेता है. सर मेरा भाई भी, और सर जब भी मैं भैया के कमरे में जाता हूँ भैया डांटता है या मम्मी डांटती है.
क्यों?
अरे सर मम्मी कहती कि डिस्टर्ब होगा, भैया कहता है कि मैं भैया को परेशान करूंगा.
अच्छा, पढ़ाई करता
Yes,
है?
sir, जब मेरी छोटी बहन भी मेरे कमरे में आती है तो मैं भी उसे यही करती हूँ, डांट के भगा देती हूँ कमरे से.
मेरे साथ भी होता है.
तुम्हारा भाई तो पढ़ता नहीं है, मुझे तो पता है, हमें है। पढ़ता है?
रहता है ना,
हाँ।
रहता है ना,
उत्कर्ष
सिर्फ उल्टा होता है.
पढ़ता है क्या?
सर सेंड.
उत्कर्ष
सर
भैया, अभय इज स्टडीइंग और नॉट?
सर अभी क्लासेस कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, वैसे इज ही डूइंग द सेल्फ स्टडी और नॉट?
नो सर, थोड़ा और.
ओके, What is the LCM? 5 and 4, the LCM.
Sir, please check my answer.
Check my
Sir, I
answer.
have given, please check.
Okay, okay. Anya, correct answer. Karthik, correct answer. Krishna, correct answer. Lakshmi Kumar, correct answer. Aditya Mishra, correct answer. Alind, recheck your answer. Saksham, correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Most of you, in fact, almost
Okay,
all of you have given the correct answer. LCM is 20. 4 into 2x minus 3 plus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 1 upon 7.
Sir, from where you are seeing the answer of the students?
But in the
In
chat
the
box,
chat.
you have to send me your answers in the chat box. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please don't do from here. I want to ask here from something.
Don't send the whole solution, just send the answer, the value of x. Yes, Utkarsh, what are you saying?
Sir, I am saying, sir, we can do from here only that in that cross multiplication 7 and curly bracket, then 4 bracket 2x minus 3 and bracket close, then plus 5 bracket open x plus 3 bracket close and curly bracket close
कुछ
is
समझ
equal
में
to
नहीं आया
20.
ऐसे मुझे ऐसे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया मैं खाना छोड़ दूंगा ऐसा का मेरे दिमाग में कंफ्यूजन
Means, sir, we can from here only, sir, do that cross multiplication.
directly we should do cross multiplication
Sir, in the second step from
in
can
the
we do?
second step. Okay, yes, you can do cross multiplication from the second step also,
So
but
from the second step.
yes, you can do it after the second step. 4 into 2, I'm not doing it right now. 4 into 2x is 8x minus 12 plus 5x plus 15
Sir,
whole
I got my mistake.
20 equals to 4x plus 1 upon 7. 8x plus 5x is 13x and minus 12 plus
plus
15 is plus
3.
3 whole upon 20. Okay, आगे मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ. 7 and 20 into 4x plus 1. 7 into 13 is 91x plus 21 is equal to 80x plus 20. 11x is equal to minus 1. 21 को मैं उधर ले गया, 80x को यहाँ ले आया. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 11. This is the answer. X equals to minus 1 upon 11.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Question number 4. Yeah. 3 by 4 of 7x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 minus x whole upon 2.
Sir, have you received my answer?
Wait a minute, beta. X plus 3 by 2. Yes, your answer is correct, Kartiki.
Sir, he
Thank you,
has
sir.
given the answer of this question.
No, the last one.
Okay.
3 upon 4 into 7x minus 1 minus 2x in minus 1 minus x upon 2 equals to x plus 3 by 2. This is the question.
did the exercise so many times that answer I have. Sir, कुछ answer रटे हुए हैं.
No. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, I will not give the questions which are there in the book.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done all the questions once of whole book. मुझे इतने याद नहीं है इसीलिए.
Okay.
सर मैंने भी पूरी बुक में करे हुए हैं, ऐसा कुछ बचा ही नहीं करने के लिए.
सर मेरा तो बस लास्ट चैप्टर मेंसुरेशन रह गया है.
Okay, very good. Aditya Kumar Gangwar is there in the meeting. He's facing some problem. He got disconnected from the meeting. Aditya Gangwar. Ved is not able to join.
Sir, I want to ask some.
Yes.
Sir, that's the second. That one 2x minus 1 minus x upon 2. When we will solve it, and when we will open the bracket, the minus sign will change the plus and the other minus sign
Yes.
into plus or
Yes.
not.
Yes, it will change
Okay, sir.
when you open the bracket.
So send the answer. Please check it.
Muskan has given the answer. Bhavya has also given the answer. Both of them have given the same answer. Priya has also given, and her answer is also the same. प्रिया बेटा वेयर इज पायल टुडे? अच्छा, मतलब दोनों में से कोई एक ही अटेंड करेगा, ऐसा है क्या? एक म्यान में दो तलवारें नहीं ले सकती।
headache today.
अच्छा, शी इज हैविंग अ हेडेक। अच्छा, आई थॉट कि एक म्यान में दो तलवारें नहीं ले सकती। दिस इज द रीजन।
Sir, please check my answer.
Anya, you need to recheck. It's not correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm
Please
doing
check
it.
my.
3 into 7x minus 1. I'm not doing anything here. 3 upon 4 into 7x.
Sir, please wait.
Sir, please check my.
Anushka, your answer is absolutely correct. Utkarsh, your answer is absolutely correct. Aditi, your answer is absolutely correct. Very good. So, LCM 2.
So please check mine.
Minus 1 plus x. Minus 1 plus x. Okay, because there is a minus sign outside. Equals to x plus, अच्छा यहाँ पे भी LCM ले लेता हूँ। So 2x plus 3 whole upon 2. Krishna, you need to recheck. Mishra ji, your answer is correct. 3 upon 4, 7x minus 1 minus 4x plus x is equal to 5x. 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1 whole upon 2. 2x plus 3 whole upon 2. Now there are two terms. Here the denominator is 4. Here
Sir,
the
the answer will be x equals to 7.
no. I think it is x equals to 1. I have not found it till now. Most of the students are given
Equal to 1.
1. 4. 4 is the LCM. So 3 into 7x minus 1 minus 2 into 5x minus 1. Equals to 2x plus 3 whole upon 2. 3 into 7x is 21x minus 3 minus 10x plus 2 whole upon 4 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole upon 2. 21x minus 10x is 11x minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 11x minus 1 whole upon 4 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole upon 2. Okay. Cross multiply. 22 थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ 22x 2 को यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर में 22x minus 2 is equal to 4 into 2x plus 3 that means 8x plus 12. 22x minus 8x is 14x and minus 2 when added to plus 12 it becomes 14. X equals to 1. X equal to 1
Sir,
is the
Sir, in my it came 11x is equal to 11.
Sir, my answer came
7
correct.
upon 11.
So mine answer came minus 7 upon minus 7 is equal to 1.
My answer came 11 upon
So
10.
Sir, my answer is x is equal to 1.
those who had any doubt, they have done any mistake. If some of you are not getting the correct answer, you can quickly take a screenshot. The meeting is about to end. Take a screenshot.
The right answer, but I have done